the value and the gift that our type 2s around the world are bringing to humanity and to the planet is the essence of love and sweetness. We have to earn love and we have to earn appreciation.
You don't want to do it and have someone not notice or just walk away. You're like, come on, give me my thank you.
It needs to be much, just words,
just something. Yeah, exactly.
to even give myself the luxury of answering that question, what are my needs? That's time from someone else, even though I know that it helps when I self-care, but it's still, how is that harming a relationship?
I changed myself a little bit to match with who I was with. It was very natural.